Hi, this is Nick. In this video, I will share how to create a filter to dynamically turn data labels on and off. And this trick can be applied to any line charts or bar charts. Step 1. Let's create a new table called label table using the function data table. And the selection is the name of the column in this table. And there are two values in the column, which is on and off. This column will be used as a filter in the dashboard. Step 2, we need to create a measure within the label table we just created from step 1. And let's talk about the formulas here one piece at a time. First, we need to create a variable named selected. Using the selected value function, what it does is that it returns whatever we selected from the filter in the dashboard. So it will just going to return on or off, depending on what we actually selected. And then let's create another variable to determine the label color. If we select to turn on the labels, then we will assign this color to the labels. What it represents is the 6-digit hex color code. And we can certainly grab that from PowerBi. What you need to do is simply click on More Colors, select your preferred color, and copy the color code under hex. And if we want to turn off the labels, which basically we need to make the labels to a transparent color, and this is the corresponding color code for hex. And finally, we need to return the value of the label color. So this is the whole function. Please take your time to put it onto PowerBi. And then on step 3, we need to create a filter in the dashboard using the selection column from the label table we created from step 1. And please make sure the filter is set to be single select because it will be either on and off. And then the next step is to create a line chart as you normally would. And let's turn on the data labels first. And then under data labels, expand the value. Scroll down a little bit to find the fx function right next to the color. Under format style, we're going to select field value. And then select on and off measure, which is the one we created from step 2. And now you can play around with the filter to dynamically turn data labels on and off.